those are two equations, 2x plus 3y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to minus 1. Now let's do the solution with the cross multiplication process. So actually there are 4 processes, so within that one cross multiplication is one of the processes, and also I think that is the best shortcut process to solve the linear equations, pair of linear equations. So here for the solution, first of all what we have to do, we have to make the right hand side of the equation always 0. This is most important part. The right hand side of the equation will be always 0. All the variables and also all the constants will be at the left hand side. So let us make that one. Actually here just I am erasing this one, 2x plus 3y minus, it will come minus 5, and here it will be plus 1. So it is coming 0. Here also it is coming 0. Now here you can write like solve by cross multiplication method. You will write this one. I am not writing here. So what you have to do, you have to first of all, here the two variables are there, x and y, two variables are there. So obviously you have to write like this, x by, then y by. Actually what are the variables? That by something, that by actually will do the calculation here, and last part will be 1 by. Now just see, follow my hands, x by. So when you will take one variable, then you will just cover that variable part. So here I have covered the x part, remaining part are y and also the constant. Here cross multiplication means this into this minus this into this. Again I am saying this into this minus this into this. So let us write like that, 3 into 1 minus of minus 3 into minus 5. Just see here, 3 into 1 minus of minus 3 into minus 5. Okay. Now y is here, so let us cover up y. One thing you have to keep in mind always, it is the shortcut trick. Whatever you will see at the right hand side top, that will come at first. I repeat, whatever you will see at the right hand side top, that will come at first. So here right hand side top, here it is coming minus 5, so we will do minus 5 into, so here it is minus 5 will be multiplied by 2 here because it is cross multiplication, into 2 minus, then here it is coming 1 into here 2, so here I am writing 1 into 2. And now 1 by 1 is the constant part, so we will just cover up constant part here. So just think, I have told that whatever you will see at the right hand side top, so if you cover up this one right hand side top, first it is coming this one. If you cover up this one right hand side top, it is coming this one. So when you cover up this one, just think it is the round shape, so 2x is coming just right hand side of this one. Okay, just think about that. So 2x is coming at the right hand side of this one. So obviously whenever we are covering up this one, so then the right hand side top, the first term, it will be 2 here, 2 into minus 3, we will start here like that, 2 into minus 3, then just see 2 into minus 3 I have done, minus of 2 into 3, so here minus of 2 into 3. So what I have done, again I am saying, repeating here, by covering up x, you will see the first at the right hand side top, it is 3, so start by 3, and 3 into 1 minus of minus 3 into minus 5, then cover up y, so right hand side top at first you are saying minus 5 into 2 in minus of 1 into 2, and then cover up this one constant part. So then it is coming 2 into minus 3 minus of 2 into 3. Okay, so let us do the calculation here. Now the easiest part of this one, x by, here 3, here it is coming 3 minus, and it is minus minus plus, so 15, 3 minus 15, directly I am writing minus 12 here. Y by, here it is coming minus 10 minus 10, and here minus 2, so minus 12 here also, and here 1 by it is coming minus 6 here minus 6, and here also minus 6, so it is coming minus 12. Very easy one. So just see, x by minus 12 equals to y by minus 12 equals to 1 by minus 12. Let us make the parts here. So x by minus 12 equals to 1 by minus 12, and y by minus 12 equals to 1 by minus 12. So let us do the solution here. So this minus 12 will go here, so minus 12 by minus 12, it is 1, so x equals to 1, and similar process will be followed here. So minus 12 will come here, so minus 12 by minus 12, it is coming 1, so y equals to 1. So our answer is x equals to 1 and y equals to 1.